is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is November 2nd, the beginning of the month. Whew, we're making it, guys. We're making it through 2024. I know some people look at it like, oh, time is moving, but we're living though. We're experiencing time. So I'm so grateful to be in November. But y'all, my house looks a mess, or should I say my apartment does look a mess. This last few weeks have been, I don't even know what the word is. Send help. Yeah, send help. I have been so exhausted. Barely making it. I don't even know, like, and not in a really bad way, because I genuinely feel so good. I feel like I'm exactly where God wants me, but I don't think I'm doing a good job managing everything, especially with my job. I'm now working. I'm doing YouTube, trying to go to the gym, trying to read the Bible, just trying. Like, y'all, I have sacrificed so much and still feel like I got nowhere. So we are exhausted, we are tired, and unfortunately that's probably going to continue for the rest of 2024, because I'm pretty sure I am going to keep doing overtime at work, because it's honestly going to help me be able to fly home, buy gifts for myself, because it's going to be the first Christmas that I spend alone, and I really want to treat myself since I will be alone. And so that means dropping a couple of $100s on some things that I've been wanting for a very long time. With that being said, overtime has been a necessity. So I'm sitting here editing this video, and listen, if you follow me, like if you watch every video of mine, I'm going to talk more about this in the upcoming vlog, but literally the next week I was convicted, so we stopped. We stopped the overtime. None of that happened. I have no word. Literally, I was convicted the next Sunday, because when I watched church online, it was about the fear of money versus the fear of God. Who you trust? And y'all, it ate me alive. So we stopped overtime immediately and got my life back on a good schedule. So we're good now. But I just wanted to pop in and say that for those who are just going to watch this video and don't come back. I want you to know I was on demon time right there. We good now. But I have been working crazy amounts of overtime while still publishing out these videos for you guys. And I have not been to the gym. I worked out at home one day. I barely be eating dinner. Y'all. But for now, this house looks a mess because I have not been taking care of it. Y'all know I love to clean every single week. I think the last time I cleaned was like the beginning of October, y'all. I don't know. It's been a while. Of course, I'll wash the dishes, but I haven't did a deep clean in a minute, so we definitely need to do that. If you want to clean along with me, get your headphones, get your music, get your podcast, get your video, whatever you're going to be doing, and let's do this together. If you want to just watch and critique, girl, do that as well. I have really been wanting to get new cleaning supplies, so if there's anything you see me cleaning and I can do it better, let me know. If there's any products that you can recommend, let me know. I am not, like, I'm still learning all of this. I'm new to this whole adulting thing, so I don't have it, you know, all down. And honestly, I'm on a budget, so don't be going crazy in the comments. Get something that costs $15 just to clean the microwave. No, come on, do some all-purpose cleaners. Help me out here. Okay guys, so we have officially finished cleaning up. I wish I would have notated what time we started cleaning so I could see how long it took me, because it's currently 3:21. I'll put here on the screen what time I started. And yeah, I'm starving. I'm really hungry. So we're gonna go fix some food. I know, after cleaning up this whole house, now I gotta go cook. Got my candles going and the house is just looking and feeling and smelling so good. I took my own trash out. Be proud of me, y'all, because I don't do that too much because I'm not paying them to not take it out. I'm sweaty. I want to take a shower. Like, I want to do everything to get the house back dirty. Life is so counterintuitive. No, counterproductive. I think that's the right word. But my stomach is growling. I'm going to end the video right here. I really hope you enjoy. If you cleaned along with me, I hope you was able to get your house clean. And, you know, if you took a lot of breaks like my mama did, just put another one of my videos on. I just threw a little shade at my mama because we were supposed to be cleaning up together today. And she just did not. She's still cleaning because she didn't went all type of grocery stores and places. She ain't done what she's supposed to do. And she's still cleaning. So don't be like my mama. Be like me. Get down. It's her looking at me on FaceTime. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye, guys.